Hey guys, so for social studies this week and next week, we're going to do a choice board. You're going to choose one activity a day. You will highlight the box of your choice and then complete the activity on a new page below. So there's quite a few options here. Again, you're going to be doing this week and next week, so you're going to end up doing 8 of these activities. There are 12 options. So there's a letter to next year's class, ABCs of 5th grade, superlatives, virtual field trip, map of your neighborhood, how to get from your house to school, write a how-to paragraph about your favorite summer activity, another virtual field trip, create your own country, create a story of 10 root words you've learned this year. This, I'm going to have a hard time saying, is sesquipedalian words. If you could travel to any country, where would you go and why? So you're going to choose one a day. Please don't repeat the activities. Please choose different ones. Once you've made your choice, so say that I'm going to do ABCs of 5th grade, you will click in that box. You will go up here to the paint bucket, the background color. Click in that and choose the color of your choice. And then you will scroll down. If you do not see a fresh blank page here, you can go up to Insert, down to Break, and Page Break, and that will automatically insert a new page for you. And then you can just start your activity. When you're done, you can turn it in. Make sure you read the directions. Each activity has directions underneath, and then we will post a new one tomorrow. We'll post one each day so that you can go in and highlight which activity you're doing. If you have any questions, just let us know.